Hey, life is a funny thing, I know, guys. I tell you see, in life, you don't know where you're going to end up and who you're going to need back in your last and whosoever. And sometimes the person them who throw away on the sideline, sometimes I them have to run back to. But people have to just know if you live run people, yeah, man. Come tell you. See the you saw, as my granny said before she passed on, I reap. Alright? Simple as that. Anyway, guys, ladies, I have a message for you. I keep on play it at night time on the show. A lot of you ladies from Canada especially, me get to understand some most of you know. See, not all of you want them who thirsty. Me, so when you drive go up on the farm, go look man. So one man tell me when I farm worker, and me hear say, if I want to go carnival and the Jamaica parade them, for go look man. Yes, a man call me and I talk about things. And the man say, if I want to come and attack, I you can't do no better. You have to take a Jamaica man, because 90% of the man them over there I want to know. Because somehow, you deal there with them man there, then the next man they know about, then one next man, and that's how you change. You want to be able to does this. I not talk to bring down the woman. And on the next side, that a woman side, the man then side now, when the woman then come on the farm and want to marry them and then tell lie, use the woman them, get paper, then dump the woman them. Then the woman then said, no more Jamaican man. Ladies, the lady have a message for you. If you know help a man, you help a man for getting things straight. Or if you know help a man plus relationship, you make a man them know exactly. Then, I know if I say some of my man them smooth and tricky, but 6 or 1/2 dozen other. You have to put on the cards on the table. You understand? And stop making little man them we come and fire on the paper chicken. Because we go company show come ball. But anyway, listen to the message from the lady because she talks some valid points. Now, if I go agree, now if I go disagree, let me know in the comment section. We can continue drive and listen.
Good night, MIXUP boss. Good night. It's me again. Now, what I'm going to say, maybe not make sense to a lot of people, but to me, the lady that sent this last video in Canada that says she helped the man, I'm gonna ask these ladies why you keep using the word help, but then you have a problem with the individual. If you're gonna help somebody, it don't have nothing to do with a relationship, ladies. You stop telling man them so you're going to help them, and then you expect them to be loyal to you fully full. No. You need to have different conversation with these men when time you go there with them. Stop talking about help. If it's a relationship you're going to have, it's not help. It's gonna be help both. Whatever you're doing for the man, it's gonna benefit both of you. Yeah, me understand. So we're not gonna help him forget him. You guys are helping the men to get their papers. But to me, it's all like the man now in desperate situation is in a. Let me tell you something, ladies. As a woman, me I gotta tell you something. Yeah. So when a man in a desperate situation, and we do anything, forget out of it. Him blind, him not see. I want mad man. We come in front of him and he take the help from the mad man because he want to get out of the situation, not because him love the mad man. Yeah? May I talk from experience. Ladies, when the man them come and if they're in a one gutter, so to speak, I don't can help them out of the gutter. I want to help them out of the gutter and don't look for nothing else. Men does it as well. A woman is in a situation where they're desperate. And because they know they're desperate, then we do anything for them. But once the person be with them and love them and sleep, then say the person use them. No, the person was in a need. Me don't know if the guy did promise you nothing. Because I don't listen to the whole of the story yet. And a person can promise you anything when time then down there and them nasty good. Just figure of speech. Them blind, them nasty good. Yeah, them in a one situation, they want to come out, they will tell you anything was sound good. And they will behave any kind of how. As a matter of fact, lady, the man from day one, as far as to when I listen to this something already, the man live a house with one other woman and I talk to you on phone. So who tell you say him then I go talk to other woman with you? Any man who walk out pan one woman who walk out pan 10 more. And who to tell us I know him a provoke him and make you man go like she have no sense in a night there. Ooh, maybe the way him behave towards the woman don't know if to react. She just behave that way because she don't know if to react. A lot of woman, everything believe what the man then tell us about other woman we then do it before everything them come to with, ready for say the woman this and if you make the man them stay in them problem and figure it out themselves. And the other thing to ladies, I tell that to myself too. I not talk to alone because they say the message must come to the messenger first before the messenger can bring out it to somebody else. When the man them come and they in a problem like that with immigration and need papers, if you know I go help them, you just help them and know say so you go move on from this so that level there. But if you know I go help them and want them fit and do know, and them now go to the car right now, me not hear them and them are going to talk. I tell them so them are go stay and help on pay on bills and be a part of our life. And that me part them I listen phone say, or just say, I go help them. Me not hear man them say, okay, me I go work and we are go foot the bills them 50-50 or 3/4. And me I go make sure see your children then drop off at school, and me I go drop you off at work, or me I go pick you up from work, and me not hear no me not hear no combination thing I go on. Me not hear no cohabitating conversation. I pay help. I pay blind battle of my people me hear attack pan them something. Yeah. Everybody I meet it man them we blind like battle of me. Everybody a ball out for Jesus. Everybody blind. I need help. What I'm saying, to me, if me I help somebody, just help them. And that the conversation I be a span for help them. And I know relationship wise and I know long term. Me not say you can't have them a conversation there with a man or a woman and then change and switch. Yes, then we change, and then we switch. But me not hear them most of the conversation with me I hear paya, so me not hear nobody attack. So them have no long-term conversation and no argument a go on. And nobody now talk about what they intend to do and what's gonna happen and relationship wise and how the man are gonna come in your life, come make your life better. Everything away, woman, them are gonna help them. Only ladies don't stop it. Wanna stop it to no name Jesus.
Alright guys, on here enough. We'll start the live show now. 876-277-3254. WhatsApp or call me straight. Alright? Remember if you had on a t-shirt and cap. You don't know. Alright? We're gone.